Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to watch how to apply for a tourist visa to Algeria. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify that neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a tourist visa to Algeria, you are supposed, if you need one, you need to apply at your nearest embassy or mission, okay, wherever they have a consular post. I mean, whichever post is responsible for the area you are living in. So in front of you, I have opened the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and National Community Abroad website. They have specified the requirement that visa form you need to download, okay. They must be completed and duplicate and provide a passport that should be valid for at least 6 months. Photocopy two recent photographs, identity documents, travel insurance, and repatriation assistance certificate. Okay. If you are applying from a country which is not your original country, then you need to provide your residence proof, like how you are living in the country. And they have requirements for other visas also. For tourist visa, uh, they have to provide a hotel reservation or certificate from travel agency, whatever. Okay, so requirements are here. All right. Now, so let's say you're applying from India. So you'll open this Algerian embassy website in India. So if you go to this visa section, they have written, first of all, they have the warning that they have not outsourced this process to any third party provider. So that means as an applicant, you have to go on your own. And if you get in touch with third party providers who are offering some such services, then you are doing at your own risk. Embassy is not responsible. So they have written here that forms need to be filled up in duplicate. You need to answer all the questions. Okay. If parents are deceased, give their full names. Do not leave the section blank and do not write deceased. And when you apply, you need to submit passport and attach two passport size photographs, glued or stapled. Photos must be recent, frontal view, white background, and wearing no glasses, any kind except for prescription eyewear. Passport must be verified for at least 6 months. Both form must bear the original signature. Okay. Application must be filled on screen only. No handwritten will be accepted. I'll show you. Complete documentation is required. Processing of, okay. Yeah, you should make travel. Okay. So whatever date you are going to enter in your application is very important. So that based on that, you need to make your travel arrangements. And if you enter before that date, then you will not be allowed. Now let's go to tourist visa section. Indian passport, 6 months validity, minimum, two photocopies. These things we have already seen. Copy of airline tickets, entry and exit. Confirming hotel reservation, okay. Guarantee of sufficient funds, that's fine. Now fee. For Indian citizens, single entry for 30 days, this. All categories for 90 days, this. For Nepalis, there is a different fee. Wow. They have less. For Sri Lankan, it's even less. Wow. Submission and collection, they have given only and must be paid in rupees only by bank draft payable to make sure you follow this. Okay, that's perfect. Now they have given the form. So if you open the form, it is like this. So they said that you need to fill on screen. So that means you need to type here date and place of birth. Okay, at country. Make sure these things match your passport. Otherwise, you may be asked additional questions and they could have some adverse impact on your application as well. Father's name, mother's name, even if they are deceased, do not write deceased, but provide the names. Matter status, present nationality, birth, present address. Okay. Children to be filled only if the child is on your passport and traveling with you. Okay, fine. Type of travel document, passport number, visa, how many interests you want, occupation, employer, company address. This is for transit during your stay. Have you already been in Algeria? That information you need to provide if yes. and then sign and date. So it's very simple to do. And for photographs, they have already said that either you can glue or staple, and then you can go for it. Other information is available here, like when between what time you can go. And it may take 3 to 4 working days, but again, it may take higher based on your case. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.